Hello students, today we are starting chapter number 7 quadratic equation exercise 7. Any equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 we will call quadratic equation, and here this a should not be equal to 0. If this a is 0 then this whole thing will become 0 and then it will be a bx plus c equal to 0, which is a linear equation. In this exercise, you will learn how to solve quadratic equation with the help of factorization. So whatever we have done in factorization chapter, trinomial factorization or factorization by identities, that we will do here again. And then with the help of that, we will find out x value. So first question, we have x square minus 11x plus 30. First we have to arrange in order x square, x and without x. Everything you have to shift left side of equal to and right side you have to keep 0. Now this left side we will do the factor same way how we did in factorization. Multiply first and last term plus 30x square, plus means we have to add the factor, and after addition minus 11 should come. So factors will be minus 6x minus 5x. Replace with the middle term x square minus 6x minus 5x plus 30 equal to 0. From the first two x we can take out common, then x minus 6. From last two minus 5 we can take out common, x minus 6. So now x minus 6 also we can take out common and another bracket will be x minus 5 equal to 0. Now we have two expressions. First is this one, second is this one, and their multiplication is equal to 0. So maybe this first one is 0 or this second one is 0. If this first one x minus 6 is equal to 0, in this case x value will be this minus 6 shift here, 0 plus 6 will be 6. And if second bracket x minus 5 is equal to 0, in that case x value will be 5. So like this you have to solve these equations. Second part, 4x square minus 25 equal to 0. Here we can use a square minus b square identity. This we can write as 2x whole square minus 5 square equal to 0. As we know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we'll use this identity here. This we can write as 2x plus 5, 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So maybe this first bracket is 0 or this second bracket. So if we take 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, in this case 2x value will be minus 5 and x value will be minus 5 by 2. And second, if this 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, in this case 2x will be 5 and x value will be 5 by 2. Next question number 2, first part, 2x square minus 5x equal to 0. So here from these two x we can take out common, then inside the bracket 2x minus 5 will be there. So maybe this x is 0 or this second bracket is 0. So answer will be x equal to 0 or 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 5, then x value will be 5 by 2. In the second part, first we have to shift this 48 this side, x square minus 2x minus 48 equal to 0. Then we will do the trinomial factorization, multiply first and last, minus 48x square. After subtraction we need minus 2. So minus 8 and plus 6. 8 6 are 48 and minus 8 plus 6 will be minus 2. Replace with middle term. X square minus 8x plus 6x minus 48 equal to 0. Take x common from the first two, x minus 8. Take 6 common from the last two, x minus 8. And now x minus 8 also we can take out common. Another bracket will be x plus 6. So if x minus 8 is equal to 0, in that case x value will be 8. And if x plus 6 is equal to 0, in that case x value will be minus 6. Next question number 3, first part, 6 plus x equal to x square. So first we will shift everything one side. This 6 and x also we are shifting that side. So it will become 0 is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Now both the side we can switch. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we will do the factorization. Multiply first and last. Minus 6x square. Factors will be minus 3 plus 2. Now replace with middle term. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. From the first two, x is common. X minus 3 will be inside the bracket. From last two, 2 is common. X minus 3 will be inside the bracket. So we have x minus 3, another bracket, x plus 2 equal to 0. So if x minus 3 is equal to 0, x value will be 3. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x value will be minus 2. Now second part, already it is in arranged form. So we will multiply first and last plus 2x square. We have to do the factor of 2 such that after addition minus 3 should come. So 2 1 ja 2, minus 2 and minus 1. Then we will get minus 3. Replace with middle term. 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1 equal to 0. From the first two, 2x we can take out common, x minus 1 will be inside the bracket. From the last two, minus 1 we can take out common, x minus 1 will be inside the bracket. So we have x minus 1 and another bracket 2x minus 1 equal to 0. If x minus 1 is 0, in that case x value will be 1. And if 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, in that case 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Fourth question, first part, 3x square is equal to 2x plus 8. Shift everything one side. 3x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Then do the factorization. Multiply first and last. Minus 24x square. Do the factor of minus 24 such that after subtraction minus 2 should come. So minus 6x plus 4x. Replace with middle term. 3x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. From the first two, 3x we can take out common. X minus 2 will be inside the bracket. From the last two, 4 we can take out common. X minus 2 will be inside the bracket. So we have x minus 2 first bracket and 3x plus 4 second bracket. If this first bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x value will be 2. And if second bracket 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, then 3x is equal to minus 4 and x will be minus 4 by 3. Second part, first we have to shift the 16x this side. 4x square minus 16x plus 15. Arrange in order also. Now multiply first and last. We'll get here 60x square. So do the factor of 60 such that after addition 16 should come. 10 6 ja. So minus 10 minus 6. Replace with middle term. 4x square minus 10x minus 6x plus 15 equal to 0. From the first two, we can take 2x common, then we have 2x minus 5. From the last two, we can take minus 3 common, then we have 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5 first bracket and 2x minus 3 second bracket. So if first bracket 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, in that case 2x value will be 5, x value will be 5 by 2. And if second bracket 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then 2x will be 3 and x value will be 3 by 2. Next, fifth question, first part, x into 2x plus 5 equal to 25. So first multiply this x inside the bracket. 2x square plus 5x equal to 25. And 25 also shift this side. So 2x square plus 5x minus 25 equal to 0. Now we will do the factorization. multiply first and last minus 50x square. We have to do the factor of minus 50 such that after subtraction 5 should come. So 10x minus 5x. Replace it with middle term 2x square plus 10x minus 5x minus 25 equal to 0. Here we can take 2x as common, then we have x plus 5, and here we can take minus 5 as common, we have x plus 5 inside the bracket. So x plus 5 is first bracket and 2x minus 5 is another bracket. If this first bracket x plus 5 is equal to 0, x value will be minus 5, and if this second bracket 2x minus 5 is 0, then 2x will be 5, x value will be 5 by 2. In the second part, x plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 40. So first we will multiply it, we will change it into the simplest form. X plus 3 into x minus 3 will be x square minus 3 square equal to 40. We can apply here a plus b into a minus b formula. So x square minus 9 and this 40 also shift here, it will become minus 40. X square minus 49 is 0. Again this 49 we can write as 7 square, and again we will apply a square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. It will become x plus 7, x minus 7 equal to 0. So if first bracket x plus 7 is 0, then x value will be minus 7, and if x minus 7 is equal to 0, then x value will be 7. Next we have question number 6, first part, 2x plus 3 into x minus 4 equal to 6. First we will multiply and we will shift everything one side. 2x into x will be 2x square. 2x into minus 4 will be minus 8x. 3 into x will be 3x, and 3 into 4 will be minus 12. This 6 also shift here, it will become minus 6. Now 2x square minus 8 plus 3 will be minus 5, and minus 12 minus 6 will be minus 18. Now we will do the factorization, multiply first and last minus 36x square. Factors of 36 such that after subtraction minus 5 should come, minus 9 and plus 4. Replace it with middle term 2x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 18 equal to 0. From first two we can take x as common, then we have 2x minus 9. From the last two we can take 2 as common, then we have 2x minus 9 equal to 0. 2x minus 9 we can take out common, another bracket x plus 2 equal to 0. So if 2x minus 9 is equal to 0, then 2x value will be 9 and x value will be 9 by 2. And if x plus 2 is equal to 0, in that case x value will be minus 2. Same way we will do the second part. First we will multiply these two brackets. 3 into 2 6x square, 3 into 3 9x, 1 into 2 2x, and 1 into 3 3, and this 3 shift here, it will become minus 3. So we have 6x square, 9 plus 2 11x, and plus 3 minus 3 will become 0. This is equal to 0. From these two we can take x as common. We have 6x plus 11 equal to 0. So we have two values. It may be x is equal to 0 or 6x plus 11 equal to 0. So when 6x plus 11 equal to 0, then 6x will be minus 11 and x will be minus 11 by 6. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.